वेलकम टू क्विज पॉइंट। क्विज पॉइंट में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस सिनोनिम्स ऑफ सम ऑफ द वर्ड्स। आज हम कुछ शब्दों के सिनोनिम को डिस्कस करेंगे। सब्सक्राइब अस ऑन यूट्यूब, फॉलो अस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, लाइक आवर फेसबुक पेज। आवर फर्स्ट वर्ड इज कैटास्ट्रॉफी, तबाही, विनाश। Synonyms of catastrophe are disaster, calamity, crisis, tribulation. Disaster, calamity, crisis, tribulation. Our next word is frayed, घिस जाना. Synonyms of frayed are worn out, ripped, irritate, azzy. Worn out, ripped, irritate, azzy. Our next word is concede, स्वीकार करना. Synonyms of concede are admit, accept, allow, back down. Admit, accept, allow, back down. Our next word is ambivalence, बदलने योग्य. Synonyms of ambivalence are uncertainty, doubt, hesitation. Uncertainty, doubt, hesitation. Our next word is extempore, बिना तैयारी के. Synonyms of extempore are impromptu, unplanned, unscripted, spontaneous. Impromptu, unplanned, unscripted, spontaneous. Our next word is obfuscated, धुंधलापन. Synonyms of obfuscated are blur, confuse, obscure. Blur, confuse, obscure. Our next word is perilous, खतरनाक. Synonyms of perilous are dangerous, hazardous, risky, unsafe. Dangerous, hazardous, risky, unsafe. Our next word is reluctant, अनिच्छुक. Synonyms of reluctant are unwilling, disinclined, unenthusiastic, coy. Unwilling, disinclined, unenthusiastic, coy. Our next word is encroach, अनाधिकार प्रवेश करना. Synonyms of encroach are intrude, trespass, infiltrate, interrupt. Intrude, trespass, infiltrate, interrupt. Our next word is congregation, समूह. Synonyms of congregations are gathering, herd, flock. Gathering, herd, flock. Follow us on Instagram, like, share and subscribe us on YouTube. Thanks for watching.